Hello everyone, and welcome to another sound healing light activation. Take some time now if you can, or save this for later. Make yourself comfortable, either sitting or lying. I invite you to take some gentle and deep breaths, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And feeling your breath bring you into presence, feeling your body sensations. And if there's any pain or discomfort, just allowing the breath to soften and open into the feeling, if that's possible, to release. Noticing emotions. How is your heart doing? Noticing thoughts, and see if you can again use your breath and your presence to deeply connect to source, to spirit, to love, and to watch any thoughts come and go. Nothing to do, nothing to get right or wrong. It's coming into that place of presence. And I'll play the sounds for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I'll just speak a little bit beforehand. So today, excuse me, slightly froggy throat, wanted to bring us into an inner smile meditation or presence. So I invite you to, as you're breathing in and out, feel that sensation of a smile coming from within, coming from your heart, going out to all of your body. Yesterday I had a very interesting experience. I was helping a friend who had a traffic offence that wasn't fair, and she decided to go to court, so I was her interpreter. And it was a really awful environment, like the old earth that is falling away, and quite shocking, as when you are in the presence of that kind of environment, when you don't live it, it's becoming more and more apparent how insane it is. So we had to queue to get in, had our bags searched, and then we were in this big kind of hall where the tribunal or the court was, and we were just waiting, and there was no information, and there was different cases after case, and there was no, it was like the joy was sucked out of you, and there was frequencies or energetic of shame and blame and humiliation, because we were waiting and we didn't know, and there was nothing to eat or drink, and we ended up waiting 4 hours in this environment. And then when it finally came to my friend's turn, they said, no, you can't use me as the interpreter, you have to have an official interpreter. So then we had to, they've made another appointment. So it was just this idea of the word I have to use is violence of bureaucracy, and this level of enslavement where people are treated as though you're stupid and you're humiliated and you're not a human being. And there was no hello, how are you, goodbye, good luck, God bless, nothing. It was, although we did that a bit at the end when it was our turn. So I'm just speaking about this because it really reminds me of how much each of us hold, and that this is coming from within. We are creating from within. We are healing from within. So back to our inner smile meditation or presencing. So forgive me for all those words, but it was such a dramatic experience, and I was saying I need to drink a bottle of whiskey and scream and shout, and I wanted to swear after it was like being in prison. And I thought, this is what so much of humanity is subjected to all the time, and how it's gradually being undone. And by our presence, often not even saying anything, being, you know, and yet also speaking out when and where we can and taking action when and where we can as the old is being dismantled, dissolving, deleting, you know, being transmuted as we bring in the new. And it's a big, big, big time. So, sorry for all these words. Back to the inner smile. So it's like when somebody smiles, you can feel when it's coming from the heart. So feeling into that place in our heart of love. And if you're not feeling great, just feel into that place of compassion. And maybe making a little sound, the sound of a hum that maybe a mother makes to her baby. I'm thinking of cats purring and bees sound, that sound of sweetness. So let's really breathe into the energetic of our infinite, beautiful being, which is love, which is this sweetness. And feeling this inner smile. And then if you can, bringing it, I have this throat thing going on, to your throat. So I'll cough. Into any joints, any parts of your body where there might be discomfort or stiffness. Feeling it going into your body organs, into your kidneys, your digestive system, into the skeleton. Maybe imagining, sensing, visualizing your whole skeleton as light. Breathing this smile in, this love, this sweetness, this kindness. This is our nature. We are angelic human beings, infinite, multidimensional. So it's part of our remembering. It's to feel that smile. It's also a sense of hug, connection, grace, and music, of course, always comes, and then laughter. So just breathing that in, and if it's not so much there for you, if you even get a tiny glimmer, just holding on to that glimmer, that hint or trace, like a fragrance that's just coming through, coming into this new earth world where people help each other, where there is enough, where you're not constantly taxed or fined or told no, and where we also stand up to that which is not okay, where and when we can. So that sense of sweetness and play, and now bringing that into every cell in your body, and then into your field, into your heart, into your centers of higher consciousness, really activating your whole electromagnetic field, your aura, into sweetness, so that there's almost like the protection of this light, this love all around you. You are love. We are love. And now I'm going to play the sounds. So thank you very much, everyone. So remembering our inner and our outer smile, your sweetness, your beauty, your love. So have a beautiful week and lots of love, and thank you.